How to reset your Skrill password. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll simply guide you on how you can reset your Skrill password, so make sure to watch the video till the end. In order to reset your Skrill password, all you have to do is go ahead and first of all just make sure to launch the Skrill application over here. So you can launch a Skrill app, or you can also actually use your browser and go to skrill.com. and if you have an account, of course, you can just tap on I have an account button. If you have remembered your password, you would be able to enter your Skrill account email and password and then reset them accordingly. But if you forgot your password, what do? Well, if you forgot your password, the only thing you can do is tap this forgot your password option. Make sure to enter the email address of the account your Skrill account was associated with. So let me go ahead and do that. Once you've basically entered the email address where your Skrill account was associated with, what you need to do is make sure you need to have access to that. Tap the send option. It will send a verification link to this email address, right? So what you want to do now is you want to simply open up your mailbox, check if you've received any sort of verifications from your email or from Skrill service provider. Once you've done that, you can see I have received the email from Skrill that says please reset your password. Now tap the reset password link. It will take you to the new page where you can simply enter and choose a new password without having to remember your old password. That's all it takes to go ahead and then basically reset your Skrill account password. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.